Hello, Bright Stars. I'm Officer Dan, and today we're talking about stranger safety. How to stay safe around people you don't know. A stranger is someone you don't know. Most people are kind, but it's still important to be careful. Never go anywhere with a stranger, even if they seem nice. If a stranger offers you candy, toys, or gifts, always say no. Don't get into a car with someone you don't know. If a stranger asks for help, find an adult you trust instead. Always stay where adults can see you. Use the buddy system. Stay with a friend when walking or playing. If you feel unsafe, yell no, and run to a safe place. Tell a parent, teacher, or police officer if a stranger talks to you. It's okay to be loud and make noise if you need help. Never share personal information with strangers online. Family members and trusted adults should know your school pickup plan. Have a safe word with your family for emergencies. Remember, being careful helps keep you safe. Let's see what you remember, Safety Stars. What is a stranger?
Someone you don't know.
Should you take candy or gifts from a stranger?
No!
Should you ever get into a car with someone you don't know?
Never.
What should you do if a stranger asks you to go somewhere?
Say no and run to safety.
Who can you tell if a stranger talks to you?
A parent, teacher, or police officer.
What should you do if you feel unsafe?
Yell no and get help.
Great answers, Safety Stars. Remember, trusting your feelings and telling adults keeps you safe. Safety Stars, get ready. More lessons are coming soon on Bright Star Know-It-All Safety. Well, Bright Stars, we learned how to stay alert, say no, and run to safety if a stranger approaches. Remember, trusting your feelings and telling adults keeps you safe. See you next time.
Plus, all Bright Star books are free due to the generosity of the Brite Star Foundation. Come visit us at BriteStarWorld.com for all your family to enjoy.